In 1950, a British mathematician named Alan Turing asked a question that would shape the next 70 years. He asked, "Can machines think?" Turing proposed a test. If a machine could hold a conversation indistinguishable from a human's, then for all practical purposes, that machine was thinking. The Turing test became the gold standard for AI. In November 2022, when ChatGPT launched, most observers quietly agreed it had been passed. Between Turing's question and ChatGPT's launch lies a 70-year story of optimism, disappointment, and one technical breakthrough that changed everything. The 1950s and 60s were optimistic decades. Researchers thought human-level AI was 20 years away. They were wrong by 60. The 1970s and 80s saw two AI winters where progress stalled and funding dried up. Working on AI became professionally embarrassing. But in the corners of the field, a small group of researchers kept working on neural networks, a way of teaching computers by training them on enormous amounts of data. By 2012, neural networks could recognize images better than humans. The field woke up. Then in 2017, 8 researchers at Google published a paper called "Attention is All You Need." It proposed a new architecture called the transformer. That paper triggered the modern AI race. 5 years later, ChatGPT brought the technology to everyone. We are now 3 years into the era of consumer AI. The systems are dramatically more capable than the first ChatGPT. They write, reason, analyze, and code. They make mistakes. They are still being figured out. But here is the pattern worth remembering. Every previous technology shift, personal computer, internet, smartphone, rewarded the people who learned the foundations early. AI is no different. We are in the early adoption window right now. The advantage available is the advantage of starting now. That's why you're here.